When you find yourself with a wide gap in a corner joint like this, do not panic, because there is a simple fix. Start by placing extra welding rods directly into the space to bridge the opening. Secure these rods carefully with small tack welds at the corners and along the center. After the tacks are set, use a wire brush to clean the surface of any slag or debris. Now, take a 60-13 rod and start a continuous weld over the filler material at approximately 65 amperes. Keep your arc steady and move slowly to ensure the filler rods melt completely into a solid piece of metal. Once that foundation layer is complete, chip away the thick slag and brush the area again until the metal is clean and bright. To achieve a smooth and professional finish, mark out a series of small overlapping loops over the weld as a visual guide. Using another 60-13 electrode, follow those markings with a consistent weaving motion. This technique helps distribute the heat evenly and creates a wide, strong bead that fully covers the entire joint area. When you finish this final pass, remove any remaining slag and give the joint one last thorough brushing. Finally, check your finished corner with a
Welding round metal bars together might seem straightforward, but simply placing them end to end and laying a bead will not give you the strongest connection. You can see here how a quick weld looks decent, but it lacks proper penetration and surface contact. To do it correctly, you need to prepare the joint for a better fit. Start by marking the end of your bar. Then use an angle grinder to cut out a saddle shape that matches the curve of the mating bar. This fish mouth cut creates much more surface area for the weld and ensures a tighter fitment without any large gaps. Once you have a perfect fit, tack the pieces together and clean the joint with a wire brush. Now you can begin your first pass. Notice how the weld pool flows easily into the groove created by the contoured cut. After chipping away the slag and brushing it clean, you will have a solid foundation for your finish. For the final passes, use a consistent side-to-side weaving motion. This technique helps bridge the entire width of the joint while creating those beautiful, uniform ripples that signify a professional weld. Maintaining a steady arc length and travel speed is crucial here to keep the bead uniform and professional. Always remember to clean the area thoroughly between each pass to ensure the highest quality and avoid trapping slag inside the weld. This meticulous layer